Fixing paper feed issues on the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, 7600 printer series. If your printer does not pick up or feed paper during a print job and you are receiving a load paper or tray empty message, or the attention and document lights are blinking, the printer might be experiencing paper feed issues. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Use only new, clean, and quality paper that meets printer specifications. For printers with an input tray, slide the paper width guides outward and then remove the stack of paper from the input tray. For printer models with an ADF or automatic document feeder, slide the paper guides outward and then remove the original pages from the ADF. Examine the paper you removed, and then remove any pieces that are bent, wrinkled, torn, or a different size or type of paper. Check for and remove any obstructions inside the input tray. Even small pieces of paper can cause paper feed issues. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. For printers with an input tray, insert the stack of paper into the input tray. And then slide the paper width guides inward until they touch the edges of the paper. For printer models with an ADF, insert the stack of paper into the ADF and then slide the paper guides inward until they touch the edges of the paper. Make sure the paper loaded matches the paper size and type settings in the printer software, HP Smart App, or printer control panel. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris might accumulate on the pickup roller and cause paper feed issues. Clean the paper rollers in the input tray or in the ADF. To clean the rollers, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. For printers with an input tray, turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord and disconnect all cables. Pull out the input tray. Pull out the output tray. Look inside the gap where the trays were and find the gray paper pick rollers. Dampen a long cotton swab with distilled water and then squeeze out any excess water. Press the swab against the rollers and then rotate them away from you with your fingers. Apply a moderate amount of pressure to remove dust or dirt buildup. Reinsert the output tray. Reinsert the input tray. Allow the rollers to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Plug the power cord and connect all cables. Turn on the printer. For ADF model printers, remove all paper and media from the ADF tray. Lift the ADF cover. Check for and remove any obstructions inside the ADF. Even small pieces of paper can cause paper feed issues. Lightly dampen a lint-free cloth with any distilled water and then squeeze any excess liquid from the swab. Press the cloth against the rollers inside the ADF and then rotate them upward with your fingers. Apply a moderate amount of pressure to remove any dust or dirt buildup. Close the ADF cover. Reload the originals into the ADF and then slide in the paper guides until they touch the edge of the paper. Reset the printer to recover from printer errors or failures. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. If the issue continues, service the printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.